Anin Buju band members, today is Tuesday, February 8th. And we haven't had any new positive COVID cases since last Thursday. And so District 1 and District 2A, 286, no new cases. District 2, 61, no new cases. And District 3, 83, no new cases. And as usual, we always talk about continue to wear your mask, and they're asking that we wear the N95s now. And please, when you go outside and meet with other people or in any meetings, please wear your mask. And of course, if you are exposed to someone who is positive or you have symptoms, please get tested. Our Ojibwe Language Preservation Project in partnership with Rosetta Stone has been gaining much attention. WCCO is interviewing me on Thursday along with Bob Vital Boyd. And so I'm excited to talk about the project. And if you haven't already, I encourage all band members and descendants to sign up for the free access to the language material. And you can do that at anji.org. And the information will be on the website as well. You will see a link to the information and the registration page on the front. Very excited to talk about our Young Anishinaabe Women's Gathering, and that is going to be on March 19th on a Saturday, one day. And it is open to all Mille band member young women ages 12 to 24. And the event is completely free, but we are limiting to registrations to the first 120. Very exciting. We have speaker Cecilia Fire Thunder, and she will talk about your future as a servant leader in your community, tribe, and beginning with yourself. Roxanne DeLille will have a message about resilience as a young Anishinaabe woman, creating your own strengths for success. And we will have Lieutenant Governor Peggy Flanagan. There will be breakouts on ribbon skirt making, creating your own video game, and creating your own music. And then we will also have a roundy at Meshaquad, and the website to register is on our site. So please look at that and be one of the 120 participants. And one of the things when you're looking at this website, and it's https://events.bizabu.com, and that information will be on the website. But they want you to use a Chrome browser when accessing the registration site. On Wednesday during band assembly, there will be a joint session of the band assembly, and that's when we will certify all of the candidates that are running for elective office. And the positions that individuals have signed up for is Secretary Treasurer, District 2 Representative, and District 3 Representative. And if you are interested in watching, please sign into Zoom, and you can get that information on the legislative website. News from DNR. So on March 18th, there will be this treaty right celebration. So please look for more information as we get closer to that date. And a reminder, DNR has a spear house. If you're interested in scheduling time to spear from the house, please contact the DNR, and the information will be on the website. With that, I'd like to say good day, and I will talk to you soon. Miigwech.